Jai Hind everyone, good morning to all of you. This is Pooja Upadhyay from Shri Ram Public School. I welcome you all in Shri Ram Public School online classes. Today we are going to see the topic that is a survey become important. For doing the study of our about our past, about our history, we need to do the survey. Survey यानी आपको पता होगा जनरली सर्वे हम लोगों के घरों में भी हो चुका है. वो जनगणना वाले जो आते हैं that only, right? The practice of surveying also became the common under the colonial administration. It was started from that time only when the colonial rule was started in India. The British believed that a country had to be properly known before it could be effectively administered. It means that before going the administration, in administration what we are doing, we are managing the thing, managing the people, their life, their problem solving and all. Before that we have to know how much population are there in our country, what are their demographic condition. That's why we need to do the survey. Okay, by the early 19th century detailed survey were being carried out to map entire country. At that time early 19th century a detailed survey were being carried out to map entire country. उस टाइम पे सर्वे किया गया था 19th century में, ताकि हमें इंडिया के पूरे मैप में जितने भी लोग हैं उन सब के बारे में पता चले. इन द विलेज रेवेन्यू सर्वे वेयर कंडक्टेड. रेवेन्यू सर्वे का मतलब होता है लोगों के इनकम लेवल के बारे में सर्वे किया गया था. दैट इज़ ऑल्सो इन द विलेज एरिया, ताकि लोगों को ये पता चल सके, आई मीन गवर्नमेंट को ये पता चल सके जो विलेज एरियाज़ में रहते हैं उनका लेवल ऑफ इनकम क्या है, उनके लिए सोर्स ऑफ इनकम क्या है, कितना रेवेन्यू वो लोग अर्न करते हैं. द एफर्ट वॉज टू नो द टोपोग्राफी, द सॉइल, द क्वालिटी ऑफ फ्लोरा, द फाउना, द लोकल हिस्ट्रीज एंड द क्रॉपिंग पैटर्न. ऑल द फैक्ट सीन एज नेसेसरी टू नो अबाउट द एडमिनिस्टर ऑफ द रीजन. एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन करने के लिए ग्रामर ये विलेज एरियाज़ में यानी ग्रामीण क्षेत्रों में जो भी चीज़ें होती उन सब के बारे में डिटेल इन्फॉर्मेशन लेना ज़रूरी था. फ्रॉम द एंड ऑफ द 19th सेंचुरी द सेंसस ऑपरेशन वेयर हेल्ड एवरी 10 ईयर. उसके बाद सर्वे जब सक्सेसफुल हुआ, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में हेल्प होने लगी, तो इसी चीज़ को सेंसस के तौर पर हर 10 साल में करने के लिए रूल पास हो गया था, जो कि अभी भी होता है हमारी कंट्री में. This prepared the detailed record of the number of the people in all the provinces of India. Nothing information on the caste, religious and occupation. There were many other. यानी यहाँ पे सिर्फ जात पात, धर्म, उनकी नौकरी, सिर्फ इनके बारे में नहीं बल्कि कंप्लीट इन्फॉर्मेशन. जैसे आपने देखा होगा जनरली मार्च मंथ में आते थे, आज से 2-3 साल पहले भी एक सर्वे हुआ था जिसके अंदर ये पता लगाया जाता है घर में कितने लोग हैं, कि क्या काम करते हैं, कितना पढ़े हैं, घर में गाड़ी है कि नहीं, टॉयलेट रूम है या नहीं, लाइट है या नहीं, प्लास्टर है या नहीं, ये सारी चीज़ें चेक करते हैं. तो इसके थ्रू फैमिली के बारे में कंप्लीट बैकग्राउंड इन्फॉर्मेशन हमें पता चलता है. नेक्स्ट इज़ व्हाट इज़ द ऑफिशियल रिकॉर्ड डू नॉट टेल. फ्रॉम दिस वास्ट कॉर्पस ऑफ रिकॉर्ड वी कैन गेट टू नो अ लॉट, बट वी मस्ट रिमेंबर दैट दिस आर ऑफिशियल record. Means जो भी सर्वे के थ्रू इन्फॉर्मेशन आता है that all are we have to keeping in the confidential. We not supposed to disclose that is in front of the population. Okay, they tell us what the official thought, what they were interested in and what they wished do. Preserve for posterity. This record do not always help us understand what other people in the country felt and what the lay behind their action. For that we need to look elsewhere. Where we begin to search for this other source we find them in a plenty. यानी इस चीज़ के बारे में डिटेल इन्फॉर्मेशन लेना. To get them official records, we have diaries of the people, account of the pilgrims and the traveler, autographies and important personality. This all information we are get only through the census, through the survey, right? And popular booklet that were sold in the local bazaar. As a printing spread, newspaper were published and issues were debated in the public. Leader were reforms to spread their idea, poem and novels. These all are the things, the information which we need for studying our history, and these all are kept as a kept confidentially. That is possible only because of the survey and the census. All these sources, however, were produced by those who were literate. From this, we will not able to understand how the history was experienced and live the tribal and peasant, the worker in the mines or the poor on the street, getting to know their lives in the more difficulty task. Yet this can be done if we make the little bit of effort. When you read this book, you will see how this can be done. Means when we are going to study in detail about all such things, then we come to know that how the history took the place, what happened. Okay, this so with this we completed the chapter. Here only I am sending the photos as soon as possible for exercise. You have to complete that. Till that, stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind, take care, have a nice day.
విద్యార్థికి ఘోర